should you scale your ads, vertically or horizontally? If you like content like this around Facebook and Instagram ads, please give me a like and follow. But let's jump into it. How should you scale your ads the best way to get the most profit possible? Well, let me explain a little bit about the different methods at first. There's a vertical scaling, which means you're adding more elements to your ad set. So that is usually where you add more interest groups into the same ad set. So you have entrepreneurs and coaches and different interest group that you think might work. And with each interest group, you add a budget also. So you add more budget and more interest group into the same ad set. But I don't really like that method because that is really how we are testing. That's something that we do when we're testing, but we do it at a low budget, so we don't waste too much money. We test out different interest groups to see which ones work best, and then we turn off the ones that don't work, and we use the ones that do work to scale. But to add new interest groups into an ad that is scaling, I think you can waste a lot of money like that. Another way you can do this is horizontal scaling, where you have an ad that works really well and you simply just increase the budget gradually. Because if you increase the budget, you're going to disrupt the algorithm and the learning phase. So it's better to do it gradually. And that's the way I like to do it, because then you have an interest group that works, you're creative and everything works, and you're just increasing the budget. But be aware that no matter which method you're using, when you increase the budget, when you're scaling, your cost per result will always increase. So it will be more expensive for you to get a client or a customer. It is always like that. So just be aware that you're well and profitable before you start to scale. But it doesn't matter which method you're using, it'll always be more expensive when scaling. Some people also use this way of scaling by duplicating an ad. They have an ad that works really well and then they duplicate it. So they basically run two identical ads and add extra budget, of course, to the new ad. And they scale that way. But the thing is that the two identical ads, they are targeting the same interest group, so they're competing against each other. So that is not working really well. One is usually not going to perform at all, and the other one may get results but at a higher price. So I like the one, the horizontal scaling, where you simply just add more budget to an ad that works. But comment below, let me know what your experiences are, and if you have any questions, also comment below. If you want us to do all this for you, then we specialize in Instagram and Facebook ads for coaches and consultants. You can learn more about it by booking a call with me or my team. There's a link in the description. Also, please join our free Facebook group, Successful Coaches, Consultants, Entrepreneurs. There's the link in the description. And don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe, share it with your friends, and click that little notification bell if you're on YouTube. That way you get notified every time we upload a new video.